Emergency funds are a crucial component of sound financial planning, serving as a safety net for unexpected expenses that can arise at any moment. The primary purpose of an emergency fund is to provide financial security during unforeseen circumstances, such as medical emergencies, job loss, or urgent home repairs. By having a dedicated fund set aside, individuals can avoid falling into debt or relying on credit cards when faced with these unexpected costs. Financial experts commonly recommend saving 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. This guideline ensures that you have enough resources to cover essential bills and maintain your lifestyle while you navigate through challenging times. In today's financial climate, where economic uncertainties and unexpected events seem increasingly common, understanding the importance of emergency funds is more relevant than ever. With rising living costs and fluctuating job markets, having a financial cushion can provide peace of mind and stability. It empowers individuals to make informed decisions without the immediate pressure of financial strain. By prioritizing the establishment of an emergency fund, you are taking a proactive step towards safeguarding your financial future. This not only enhances your overall financial health, but also fosters a sense of security that allows you to focus on achieving your long-term financial goals. The guideline of saving 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses for an emergency fund is rooted in the need for financial stability during unpredictable situations. Financial experts suggest this specific range because it provides a buffer that can cover essential living costs, such as housing, utilities, food, and healthcare, during periods of income disruption. This timeframe is generally considered sufficient for individuals to find new employment or recover from unexpected financial setbacks. However, it's important to question the validity of the 6-month benchmark, as it may not be a one-size-fits-all solution. Factors such as job security, industry stability, and personal circumstances can significantly influence how long one might need to rely on their emergency fund. For instance, someone in a stable job may feel comfortable with a smaller fund, while a freelancer or someone in a volatile industry might require a larger cushion. Therefore, flexibility is key when determining the appropriate amount for your emergency savings. It's essential to encourage viewers to assess their unique financial situations, including their income sources, expenses, and risk tolerance. By doing so, individuals can tailor their emergency fund to meet their specific needs, ensuring they are adequately prepared for any financial challenges that may arise. Ultimately, the goal is to create a safety net that provides peace of mind and financial security, allowing for better decision-making in times of crisis. Individuals often have vastly different perceptions of emergency funds, shaped by their unique experiences and financial backgrounds. For instance, consider Sarah, who grew up in a household that faced financial instability. As an adult, she prioritizes building a substantial emergency fund, believing that having 6 months' worth of expenses saved brings her peace of mind and a sense of security. On the other hand, there's Mark, a freelancer who thrives on the unpredictability of his income. He feels comfortable with just 3 months' worth of savings, believing that his ability to adapt quickly to changing circumstances makes a larger fund unnecessary. These extremes illustrate how personal experiences influence beliefs about financial security. The psychological aspects of financial comfort play a significant role in these perceptions. For some, a larger emergency fund equates to reduced anxiety and a greater sense of control over their financial future. For others, the idea of saving excessively may feel restrictive or unnecessary, leading to stress about missed opportunities for investment or spending. This highlights the importance of aligning emergency funds with individual financial situations. Each person's comfort level and risk tolerance are different, and what works for one may not work for another. Ultimately, understanding these varying perspectives can help individuals create an emergency fund strategy that reflects their unique needs, ensuring they feel secure and prepared for whatever life may throw their way. Recent data from the Department of Education reveals intriguing insights into people's beliefs about emergency funds and their perceived financial needs. According to surveys, a significant portion of respondents believes they need at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses saved for emergencies. However, The statistics also show that many individuals underestimate their actual monthly expenses, leading to a disconnect between perceived needs and reality. For instance, while 60% of participants indicated they felt comfortable with 3 months of savings, a closer look at their monthly expenditures revealed that many would struggle to cover essential costs during that period. This correlation between monthly expenses and perceived emergency fund requirements underscores the importance of accurately assessing one's financial situation. Individuals often fail to account for fluctuating costs, such as healthcare or unexpected repairs, which can dramatically impact their financial stability. Understanding these statistics is crucial for informed financial planning, as it encourages individuals to take a more realistic approach to their emergency savings. By recognizing the gap between belief and reality, people can better align their emergency fund goals with their actual financial needs. This awareness not only fosters a sense of preparedness, but also empowers individuals to make sound financial decisions that enhance their overall security and resilience in the face of unforeseen challenges. Ultimately, informed planning based on accurate data can lead to greater financial confidence and stability. Age plays a significant role in shaping individuals' perceptions of emergency fund requirements, often reflecting their life experiences and financial responsibilities. Younger individuals, particularly those in their 20s and early 30s, typically have lower expectations for emergency savings. Many of them may prioritize immediate expenses, such as student loans or rent, and often feel a sense of invincibility, believing that they can manage unexpected costs as they arise. However, as people transition into different life stages, their financial priorities shift dramatically. For instance, having children introduces new responsibilities and expenses, prompting parents to reassess their emergency fund needs. The unpredictability of raising children, coupled with potential medical costs and childcare expenses, often leads to a heightened awareness of the importance of financial security. Consequently, parents may feel compelled to save more, often aiming for 6 months' worth of expenses or more to ensure they can handle emergencies without jeopardizing their family's well-being. Additionally, as individuals age and gain more life experience, there is a noticeable trend of increasing emergency fund requirements. Older adults tend to have a clearer understanding of the financial challenges that can arise, such as job loss, health issues, or major home repairs. This awareness fosters a more cautious approach to financial planning, leading to a greater emphasis on building a robust emergency fund. Ultimately, age and life changes significantly influence how individuals perceive and prioritize their emergency savings, reflecting their evolving financial landscapes. Effectively allocating emergency funds is crucial for maximizing their benefits, and understanding the concept of strategic dollars can significantly enhance this process. Strategic dollars refer to the careful distribution of your emergency savings to ensure they are both accessible and working for you. The goal is to strike a balance between efficient and inefficient allocations. An efficient allocation means having enough liquidity to cover immediate needs, while also considering options that can yield some interest or returns. On the other hand, inefficient allocations may involve keeping all funds in low-interest accounts, which can diminish the purchasing power of your savings over time. To optimize your emergency fund, it's essential to evaluate various interest rates and investment options. For instance, while a traditional savings account offers easy access, it may not provide the best interest rates. Consider high-yield savings accounts or money market accounts that offer better returns while still maintaining liquidity. Additionally, some individuals may explore short-term investment options, such as certificates of deposit, CDs, which can provide higher interest rates with minimal risk, although they may require locking in funds for a specific period. Encouraging viewers to assess their financial situations and risk tolerance is vital in determining the best allocation strategy. By strategically managing emergency funds, individuals can ensure they are prepared for unexpected expenses while also making their money work harder for them. Consulting financial advisors is crucial for developing effective emergency fund strategies tailored to individual needs. Financial advisors possess the expertise and experience to assess your unique financial situation, helping you determine the appropriate amount to save and the best allocation methods for your emergency funds. They can provide personalized guidance based on factors such as income, expenses, risk tolerance, and life circumstances, ensuring that your emergency fund aligns with your overall financial goals. Encouraging viewers to ask questions and seek professional advice is essential, as it fosters a deeper understanding of financial planning. Many individuals may feel overwhelmed by the complexities of managing their finances, but a financial advisor can simplify the process, offering clarity and direction. By engaging in open discussions with advisors, clients can gain insights into various strategies, including how to balance liquidity with potential growth opportunities for their emergency funds. Emphasizing the value of informed decision-making in financial planning cannot be overstated. When individuals are equipped with accurate information and expert advice, they are more likely to make sound financial choices that enhance their security and preparedness for unexpected events. Ultimately, consulting a financial advisor not only helps in crafting a robust emergency fund strategy, but also empowers individuals to take control of their financial futures with confidence and clarity. This proactive approach can lead to greater peace of mind and a stronger foundation for achieving long-term financial stability. In summary, having an emergency fund is a vital aspect of financial planning that can provide security and peace of mind during unexpected situations. It is essential to tailor your emergency fund to your individual circumstances, taking into account factors such as income, expenses, and personal risk tolerance. By understanding your unique financial landscape, you can determine the appropriate amount to save and the best strategies for allocating those funds effectively. Encouraging viewers to take proactive steps in their financial planning is crucial. Starting an emergency fund, no matter how small, can make a significant difference in your financial resilience. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your fund as your life circumstances change will ensure that you remain prepared for any unforeseen challenges. As we wrap up this discussion, we invite you to subscribe, like, and share this video to stay updated on more valuable financial insights. Engaging with our content not only helps you enhance your financial literacy, but also supports others in their journey toward financial stability. Remember, the journey to financial security begins with informed decisions and proactive planning. By prioritizing your emergency fund, you are taking a significant step towards safeguarding your future and achieving your long-term financial goals. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to providing you with more tips and strategies to help you navigate your financial journey successfully.